Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how I go from almost armpit length to almost waist length just by using some clip-in extensions. So right here, I'm just basically showing you what my current length is. I'm almost armpit length. I did get a haircut few months ago, and this is what I'm going to be using right here, the Kinky straight. It is 16 inches from Better Length. I did a review on these about 2 years ago, and I've had them ever since. They're still in really good condition, and I just thought that today would be a great day to use them. I did post this on my Instagram, and a lot of you were asking for a video, so here's the video right here. Now, as you can see, these clip-ins do have a ton of texture in them. So you could braid your hair, like do a braid out and then unbraid it to match with the extensions, or you could also straighten the extensions, or you could use a heating brush or a flat iron or whatever you want to do, like a blowout. But in this video, as you can see, I am not caring about any of that. I'm just going to put the clip-ins in with my relaxed hair. My hair is not flat iron right here. It's only blow dried. So I'm basically going to mix in my blow dried hair with the Kinky straight extensions. To me, it doesn't bother me to have the texture in and out. I mean, I like the Kinky texture, the look of it, but I also didn't feel like doing a braid out on my own hair. But to me, it still worked. At the very end of the video, it still worked out. So the pack comes with a lot of hair. So I had about a few clip-ins left over, but that's also because I didn't have to need to put them in the front of my hair. So you get a lot of clip-ins with this company as well. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm just brushing out the rest of my hair that was left in the top with the clip-ins. And yes, you can tell the texture difference, but at the same time, it kind of still goes together unless you're just staring at my hair. But you know, I did have the option to braid the front where it would have matched the top is what I meant, not the front. So I'm basically just giving you a length check right here. As you can see, I'm almost at waist length with the extensions, and you can see where my red hair is. That's what my current length is. And these are just really pretty. They're really soft. I love them. I don't wear them that much, but I'm starting to wear clip-ins more often because it's just so quick and effortless, and they're like so cute. I think it looks cute like this, just in my opinion. This is what it looks like pulled to the front. Very, very nice length, 16 inches. I really like this. And it definitely looks more realistic with the way I have the front styled. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.